3 common mistakes that could blow up your account over and over again. If you have been spending more time and effort to earn additional income on the side compared to your day job, this training is for you. If you have been looking for ways to earn additional income without taking up too much of your personal time, so you can do the things that you like by spending more time with your family or traveling around the world, or to pursue your hobby, this training is for you. So after 18 years of research and studies and continuation studies, I am here to give you some clarity and share some methods on how you can focus on the process, knowing that by following through the process, you are going to see profitable outcome results in the long run in this trading. So today we are going to look into the fundamental of trading and why some of the things it works and some it doesn't. Alright, so one of the framework we are going to cover today sounds very different from the framework that you have been hearing from other traders or forums. So the wrong way of trading is when traders are focusing on the high risk, high return kind of opportunity. They also focus on the more they trade, the more profitable they become. And of course, they rely on a specific strategy. Alright, so today we're going to share with you some of the frameworks that you might be hearing from other traders, trainers, or even forums. So what they will be telling you in the past, that accuracy of trading is important in your trading. You need to pull up high risk in order to have high returns. You need to trade more to be profitable, and you need to rely on a specific strategy that you have to pay them on a recurring paying methods, a subscription methods. If you are here and you are listening to this, most probably you have been listening to all this before and you have tried this before. So does it work? Yes, well, yes, it works, but it is not the most effective way of trading. So what is a more effective way of trading? I find that over 18 years of trading, this is a better way to trade because it gives you a consistent profit. Just before that, let's talk about this. When we are chasing after the accuracy of trading, it's basically telling us that being not profitable is wrong, is bad, and you have to be profitable in all trades. So end up, you will start to decrease your profits over time. You'll be telling yourself 50 pips is too much to earn. Let's go for 40. Let's go for 30. Let's go for 10. And over time, you'll find that your accuracy shoot up, but your overall profit came down because on each trade you are taking, the profits reduces. So one single wrong trade could wipe out your entire profits that you have gained over the weeks. You might have these thoughts that a higher risk will give you a higher returns, because with a bigger account size, then you can withstand all those risks and all those losses that you have been seeing, and you will keep on increasing your capital size and your account size, hoping that a bigger account size will give you a greater return. But when your fundamentals are not right, it just gives you a greater loss. Having the mindset of the more you trade, the more you gain is a very job kind of mentality. The more you work, the more you gain. Very similar to the accuracy. Now you have to understand the investment style of things, or even the trading side of things, is very similar to how you run a business. We focus on something else rather than having to trade more, which I'll share with you shortly. The more you trade is provided that the outcome is giving you a profitable result, and that fall into the trap of needing to be accurate all the time. Some of the strategies that forums or trainers provides require you to pay on a subscription basis, or they get a commission out of each time you are using the strategy. So end of the day, you're falling into another job. The more you do, the more you earn. So let me just share with you what are the right ways or a better way for you to earn money over here. First, you should end up over here. For all the focus over here, people are looking at profits. How about focusing on profits that give you good returns, which we call them the profit factor? Now look at this. If every trade you enter have twice the returns of your initial risk. What we call a 2-1 ratio on your returns is to risk ratio, you will be profitable. Because even when your accuracy drops and have only 40% accuracy rate, and which means you are losing 6 times out of 10 times, if your profit is 100 points or 100 pips in trading terms, you are losing 50 pips every time because of 2-1 ratio. Your profits will be 400 minus 300, which give you 100 net profit. In trading or businesses or investment, the net profits is more important than the accuracy of trade. The problem with most traders, because they come from an angle of job which require them to have a high accuracy rate, it stresses them to be right and forgetting to focus on what matters, the overall profit. The second thing that traders need to take note is to never over trade their account, because when one overtrade their account, the single trade become overshadowing important, overpowering the entire trade. That one trade determines everything. It can turn you from rags to riches, or it can empty up your account. A good practice for a new trader is to risk not more than 1% of your capital, which means if you have a $10,000 capital in your trade, you shouldn't risk more than $100. So with that, having a 2-1 ratio, every time you engage a trade, your profits will be $200, and over time you will start to see your account grow. And you will be focusing on the process, not the outcome. The third thing is to make sure your strategy are tested strategy. So when I talk about tested strategy, it's not relying on anyone to test it for you. Yes, today's world we can use the computer software programs to test it for you. But what's more important, if you want to be an exceptional trader, you have to do manual backtesting, because that will train your RAS system. This is what helps us to react on a day-to-day situation, such as driving, crossing the road, to everything we do. And once you have your RAS system activated, you recognize the trading strategies or trading patterns that set up, you know the outcome of the result, and you are confident enough to execute the trades, you will see a profitable result. And trades only engage trades that give you a 2-1 ratio. This is your profits and this is your risk. Always remember to also plan your trade in advance, so you are not chasing after the trades. When you are not chasing after the trades and you start to see trades that form at the level that you are looking to buy and it pauses over here, it boosts your confidence level to engage the trades, knowing that you have already planned in your initial risk and your projected profits. This will give you a good reward is to risk ratio when you engage a trade, and you will know that over time you will see profitable results. And the bonus tips I'm going to give you is to focus on trading strategies that is not only tested but provides you a fixed risk and a fixed returns. And with that, it gives you a no surprise when you are engaging the trades. You will know your results every time you engage the trades. Where is your stops? Where is your targets? Even before the trading setup forms up. So if you attend our upcoming webinar, I'm going to give you a book research that I've did over the past 18 years on how to read the trends the right way, accompanied with strategies you can use right away that produce you a healthy reward is the risk ratio, with which we call it a profit factor. In this training, it consists of things I've been testing over and over again for the past 18 years, and it is effective even for today's market. So there are 3 things you can do right now is to follow us on our community channel, links at the bottom. You can attend our upcoming webinar, and once you have completed the training, I'll be giving you ebook that consists of these trading strategies and how to read trends correctly, or you can book a call with us. Links you can find at the bottom of this training video, and I will see you soon.